Assalamualaikum, my name is Syed Khairul Zaim bin Muhammad Karudin. We are from Group 1. We want to present about compound interest and annuity. Firstly, compound interest. Compound interest is the interest calculated on the principal and the interest accumulated over the previous period. Apply in valuation of loan, saving, insurance and investment. Calculate based on the accumulated past interest. The previous become the new P. The formula is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I close bracket power n. Annuity is a series of equal payment made at equal interval of time. Example, shop rental, insurance policy premium, annual dividend, receipt and installment payment. Formula for future value is S equal to R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power n minus 1 per I. The formula for present value is A equal to R 1 minus 1 plus I close bracket power n per I. Question 1A. Naim wish to have enough money to open the PlayStation 5 cafe business that costs RM 2,500 in 10 years time. He saved in a saving account which offer an interest rate of 6.15% compound every 2 months. How much should Naim save today so he can start his business? How much is the amount of interest gained by Naim at the end of 10 years? The formula we use for this question is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I equal close bracket power n. 2,500 equal to P open bracket 1 plus 0.0615 per 6 close bracket power 16. 2,500 per 1.843875301 equal to P. P equal to 11117.88. I equal to S minus NR 11117.88 minus 2,500 open bracket 16 close bracket. The answer is RM 1,280,882.12. Question 1B. Benji invested RM 6,700 into the investment scheme for a period of 15 years. The investment scheme rate offer was 3.4% compounded quarterly for the 6 years and 4.8% compound semi-annually for the rest of the period. Calculate the future value of assets of the investment period. The answer is S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power n. 6,700 open bracket 1 plus 0.034 per 4 close bracket power 24. Answer is 8,209.12. S equal to P 1 plus I close bracket power n. 8,209.12 open bracket 1 plus 0.024 close bracket power 18. The answer is RM 20,518.44. I equal to K per M 0.048 per 2. The answer is 0.024. N equal to NT 2 open bracket 9 close bracket. The answer is 18.
My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Nawawi and I will be the one who will solve part B, question 1. In question 1A, we need to determine how much Sharifah begins saving monthly if she wishes to have 10,000 ringgit 620 and 22 cents in her account. The formula is S equals R times open bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of n minus 1 divided by I. 10,620 and 22 equals to R times open bracket 1 plus 0.0775 divided by 12 close bracket the power of 12 times 7.3 minus 1 divided by 0.0775 divided by 12, and then we will get 10,620 and 0.22 equals R times 117.3 3008. And then we move the 117.3008 to the left side, and it will be 10,620.22 divided by 117.3008 equals R. And then we'll solve it and we will get 90.54 for the final answer. Move on to the next question. We need to find the maturity value of the saving and determine the interest earned. The formula is S equals R times open bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of n minus 1 divided by I. 180 times open bracket 1 plus 0.0691 divided by 4 close bracket the power of 4 times 10 minus 1 divided by 0.0691 divided by 4, and then we will get 180 times 56.9591, and then we will solve it and we will get 10,252 ringgit and 64 cents as the final answer. For the interest, 10,252 ringgit and 64 cents minus 180 times 40, and then we will get 10,252.64 minus 7,200, and then we will get 3,052.64 as the final answer.
For the next question, I, Azim, will be the one who solve the question. Kamala bought a shop lot of 355,000 ringgit. She paid a down payment of 30% and took a personal loan to settle the balance at bank that charged an interest rate of 5.30%. Compound monthly. She was required to settle the loan by making an equal monthly payment for 15 years. Calculate the monthly payment. To answer the question, we need to multiply 30% by 355,000 to get the value to be used in the formula, which is 248,500. After that, we use the formula and substitute the order number. For example, 1 minus 1 plus 0.053 divided by 12 raised to the power of negative 180. Then divide that by 0.053 divided by 12, and finally divide that result into 248,500. So the final answer is 2,004 ringgit and 80 cents. Question 2: If Kamala missed the first 4 payment, how much shall she pay on 5th payment to keep her payment up to date? For question 2, we just need to use the sum future value formula as shown below. So we'll calculate 1 plus 0.053 divide by 12 raised to the power of 4 minus 1. Then divide that by 0.053 divided by 12 and multiply the result by 2,004 ringgit and 80 cents. This gives 8,069 ringgit and 99 cents. After that, add 2,004 ringgit and 8 cents to it. So the total amount to be paid is 10,074 ringgit and 80 cents. For find the outstanding balance if Kamala decide to settle the loan immediately after paying the 13 year. For the final question, we need to use the present value formula. We'll calculate 1 minus 1 plus 0.043 divided by 12 raised to the power of negative 167. Then divide that by 0.053 divided by 12 and multiply the result by 2,004 ringgit and 80 cents. The final answer is 236,396 ringgit and 80 cents.
My name is Muhammad Khairul. So we go to the next question 2. Mr. Allen deposited 42,000 in I account earning K% interest compounded monthly after 7 years and 5 months. The amount in his account was 16,808.68. Determine the interest rate K. Okay, we use a formula compound interest. The S is 60,808.68. The P is 42,000 1 plus K per 12 power of 90. So we move P as per P. So we get the answer 1.447825,714. So the 90 we move and it becomes 90 root of 1.447825,714, and we get the answer. We minus we move a 1 and minus with the answer, and we get 4.120275. And lastly, we multiply the answer with 12, and we get the answer 0.0494433, and the answer we get 4.9%. Okay, we go to the next question. B. Alex save 11,000 in a financial institution that give an interest rate of 7.2% compounded every 4 months. After 3 years, the amount in his account 16,857.43. Question 2, find the duration of his saving. Okay, we use same formula. So the S is 16,857.43. The P is 11,000, and the I is we get 0.024, and the N 3T. So we move P again, S per P. So we get the answer 1.532493636, and the answer we put a log. So and then we move log 0.24, and we use a calculator, and we get the answer is 1.49 years. Okay, so we go to the next question. After 6 years, Alex added another 2,500 into the same account. Calculate the amount in the account 8 years after the interest saving. So we use a same formula again. Okay, the P is 11,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.024. The N we get is 80. So we get the answer is 16,857.45 for the 6 years. So we calculate again for 8 years. Okay, so first we plus the answers of 6 years with 2,500 because Alex add another 2,500 into the same account. So we get the answer is 90,357.45, and the P is 16,357.45. Okay, the one, okay, in bracket 1 plus 0.024, and the M is 24 because 8 years, and the answer is 34,201.65.